Mastering English. Fixing faulty parallelism in verb tense and voice. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fundamental aspect of English grammar that can dramatically improve the clarity and elegance of your writing. Our focus will be on faulty parallelism, specifically in the context of verb tense and voice. It's time to master the art of maintaining consistency in your sentences. First things first, let's ensure we understand what parallelism is. It's a principle that dictates elements of a sentence that serve the same function should be expressed in the same grammatical form. This promotes clarity and balance in your writing. A simple example of parallel structure would be, she likes reading, writing, and painting. Here, the three activities, reading, writing, painting, are all in the same form, gerunds. So, what is faulty parallelism? Simply put, it's when the principle of parallelism is not correctly applied in a sentence. Faulty parallelism in verb tense and voice usually occurs when we switch tenses or voices without a logical or clear reason. Let's take a look at an example. Incorrect. Yesterday, I go to the park and played soccer. In this sentence, the verbs go, present tense, and played, past tense, are not in the same tense, causing a disruption in the sentence's parallelism. Now, let's talk about identifying errors in parallelism. As we've learned, the key is to look for a lack of consistency in verb tense or voice. Here's another example to illustrate this. Incorrect. My plan for the day is to make breakfast, working on my presentation, and to do some cleaning. Here, the verb phrases, to make breakfast, working on my presentation, and to do some cleaning, are not parallel. The correct form would be, my plan for the day is to make breakfast, work on my presentation, and do some cleaning. Finally, let's learn how to correct errors in parallelism. To do this, you need to make sure all verbs or verb phrases serving the same function in a sentence are in the same form, whether it's tense or voice. So, correcting our first incorrect sentence, we would say, correct, yesterday, I went to the park and played soccer. And correcting the second example, we would say, correct, my plan for the day is to make breakfast, work on my presentation, and do some cleaning. And that's a wrap on faulty parallelism in verb tense and voice. As you practice identifying and correcting these inconsistencies, your writing will become more precise and effective. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature to you. Happy learning, and see you in our next grammar adventure.